Kunwari ako yung casting director, parang ang sakit ng ulo ko, te. Parang pas ako dun, sis. Papansin kasi siya. Papayag ba siya na pumunta dito sa Pilipinas? Baka mamaya si Kuya Pao lang yung i-read niya. What's up, divas? This is Eva La Queen of RuPaul's Drag Race, Global All-Stars, and Drag Race Philippines. Recently, Drag Race Philippines and Wow Presents Plus dropped something major sa Instagram. So, oh my god! I saw it, gagged. Apparently, Drag Race Philippines is gonna have a brand new season, something that's never been seen before. Drag Race Philippines Slation Royale. Wow. Apparently, there's no regular Drag Race Philippines happening for 2025. So what do we know about it? Let's go to the Instagram page. Sabi nila, Mabuhay World! Drag Race Philippines Slation Royale, a brand new series. Drag Race PH Queens competing with Asian queens from across the Drag Race franchise in a battle for the crown, celebrating its culture, its history, and creativity in a unique battle royale. Slation Royale premieres later this year. Okay, gagged. Question is this considered an all-star season? Well, based sa captions, they said they will have hashtag Drag Race PH Queens compete with Asian queens from across the Drag Race franchise. Parang UK versus the world. Parang ganun. Parang Philippines versus the world, but just other Asian queens. To me, I think it's considered an all-star season kasi we are not getting a fresh batch of queens. We are gonna see our Drag Race PH queens come back on our TV screens. Gag. As in, sobrang saya. Ilan na ba tayo? There's like 12, 11, 24, 35? 35, di ba? Count mo na kaming dalawa ni Marina. Hindi na kami sasali dyan. Tanggalin mo rin yung tatlong winners. So there are like around 30 queens. Well, actually, I don't know ha. Ako naman ay, as a huge fan of Drag Race, ako naman ay airing my thoughts, making a content about it. Most likely, merong 30 queens sa pagpipilian from Drag Race Philippines. Nababalik sa ating mga screens. Oh my gosh, exciting! And there will be Asian queens from across the Drag Race franchise. Normally, di ba? Parang UK versus the world, Canada versus the world. This is the very first franchise that really focuses on, rather than geographic location, you identify the queens joining the competition based on their ethnicity, which is Asian. 2024 was the year of Asian excellence. That was the year that talagang pasabog ang Asian queens. Like Nymphia Wind getting the title, we've got Plastique Kiara, of course, my good sister Marina Summers. Global All-Stars was okay. Because for the longest time, the percentage of Asian queens joining major Drag Race franchises are like minority levels. Usually one or just two Asian queens in a franchise of 12 people, diba? Now we have our own Asian franchise, and this is the first time that we can now guarantee an Asian winner in an all-star season. Ano gagawin natin today? What I did, of course, the moment that I saw this, Google ako, ganyan, internet ako, ganyan. Sino ang mga rumored cast? Unfortunately, wala pang rumored cast. So what I found were wish lists. Asian queens that they wish to see on this Drag Race Philippines Slation Royale. So tignan natin. Also, I will be giving who are my wish lists. Let's assume lang. Kunwari, it's a regular season. A regular season should have like 12 queens. 50% of it will be Philippine queens. So, feeling ko, kung kukuha sila ng Asian queens, siguro hindi na Pilipino yung kukunin nila kasi parang ang dami ng Pinoy, di ba? Kung kalahati na ng cast Pinoy, parang di sana ng Philippine All-Stars na lang tayo versus ourselves. Philippines all over the world. Ano lang naman to? Ito naman ay mga hinuha ko lang. Again, I have not read anything. I don't know anything. I am just a fan. I have no idea about anything. Wala akong alam kung sinong kasali. Wala talaga. Umpisahan natin sa mga international divas. So, sino sa tingin natin ang Asian international divas that should be included into this? Bubuo ako ng sarili kong wishlist cast. Team PH Asia. Babasahin natin yung mga wishlist na nakita natin, no, sa internet. And then, i-assemble ko din yung sarili kong wishlist. Ay, ano ba yan? Okay, Dreamcast. Sabi ni Wishix. Representing international queens. From US, Gia Gunn. I don't know, girl. I would love to see Gia Gunn on TV. Kaso, the question is, papayag ba siya na pumunta dito sa Pilipinas? Baka mamaya, si Kuya Pao lang yung i-read niya. O sige, in an ideal universe na everything is possible, Gia Gunn from the US, yes. Lagay natin siya sa Asia. Pero you know, you'll never know. Pero alam mo, yung humor ni Gia Gunn, kapag dinala mo sa mga Philippine fans yan, sinasabi ko sa'yo, mawawala yung mga Filipino fans. Next, of course, Jujubee. Honestly, I've got enough of Mother, but I would like to see her para lang makompleto niya yung Infinity Stone. Another one is Vanda Miss Joakim of Thailand. Vanda Miss Joakim is originally from Singapore. Station Royale, I'm not sure. Parang pas ako dun, sis. Minnie Wang from Canada. One of the finalists of the recent. Finalist ba si Minnie? Gagi. Pakicheck nga. Yeah, I think it would be cool to have her. Plainly, I'm just basing this as a Filipino fan of who I think I want to see on the Filipino screens. So it's not about whether you're worthy or not. No, it's nothing of that sort. As a producer, parang isipin natin, di ba? Siyempre, magkakaroon ng Station Royale. Siyempre, ako magbubook ako ng mga queens. Magagawin ako ng mga viewing parties. Gagawa ako ng mga shows sa ganyan. Sino yung mga gusto kong i-guess na alam ko na talagang papatok sa takilya. Pasok sa panlasa ng mga Pinoy. Parang Minnie Wang, I think, parang feeling ko lang naman, parang we have other options. Freya Armani from Australia. Okay, let's check them out. I'm so sorry. The thing is, I don't know all the sisters. Ganun din naman, hindi rin naman ako kilala ng lahat ng mga yan. So, okay lang yon. So, it's a tie. I have not seen all franchises. It will be interesting to see them from Down Under. Oh, okay. Kamukha niya si Zimba. Ka-features niya, ha? I know some of the girls. Actually, ako, myself, I don't like it when people compare me to another queen. So, I'm just saying that just the feature. Where's she originally from? Gag. Cute. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Lovely. Okay. Yeah. We have River Medway from UK. Okay, River Medway from the UK. I've seen their season. I love her. Siya yung may orange ko na parang ding! Tapos tawa na tawa si RuPaul. He's kind of cute out of drag. He's also Singaporean, if I'm not mistaken. Madame Yoko. Madame Yoko. Madame Yoko. Madame Yoko. Drag Race Belgique. Oh, hey, daddy. Cutie. It's kind of cute. Vietnamese. Okay. Pero parang, I don't know. Like, say, for example, if you came from the original franchise, US or UK, syempre, na-judge ka na ni Mother Ru, diba? Ako, personally, okay na ako sa All-Stars Na-judge na ako ni Mother Ru. And it doesn't get any better than that. From Canada, they say Kimi Couture, of course, or good ate. Parang laban siya. Aurora Matrix, I love her. Annie Mae Wong, oh my gosh. From Drag Race Thailand, oh my god, I love Annie Mae Wong. Annie Mae Wong has already performed at Nectar before. Sobrang galing. I love her. Let's put her down. Oh my god, she is a legend in Thailand. Next is Candy Cyanide, of course. Candy, I've already met Candy. Such a beautiful, beautiful lady. Something Wong. Ay, oo, si Sister Something from UK. Gia Gunn. Talagang medyo si Gia Gunn, no? Feeling ko kasi ang mahal ni Gia. I am the Boom Boom Gun. Kiki Ko. Oh, ayan, yes. Of course, Mother Kiki Ko. Already met Mother Kiki in DragCon, but I've never met her when she performed here. Parang may Pilipino na kasi tayo, di ba? Parang yun nga yung sabi ko, parang puro Pilipino. Parang ibang Asians naman. There are like so many Asian queens. Ang daming options ng international Asian queens, pero puro Pinoy. ZP, of course. Season 3, third runner-up of Drag Race Thailand. Rock'em Sakura. Well, Rock'em is also has a Filipino blood. Tignan mo, puro tayo din yung option. Aura Mayari, o kita mo, tayo pa rin, Pinoy pa rin yung option Sino pa mga international na gusto nila? They want Suki Doll. Oh my god, I love Suki Doll. I've worked with Suki Doll in one of the drag brunches in LA and she is fucking fierce. Lagay natin siya. Kasi fashion siya, girl. LaFille. Of course, I love LaFille. Nani Safira. Kamara Hall. Yeah, kasi honestly, we didn't see much of her. Kamara Hall. Lagay natin siya. Si Jujubee is Laotian. Gia Gunn, 4th generation Japanese American. Okay, so Japan, let's go. Annie Mae Wong from Thailand. Suki Doll is Chinese, Cambodian, and Vietnamese. Tatlo agad yung narektahan ni Suki Doll. Work diva. Kamara Hall is Vietnamese. So we have one more. So sino pa? Huwag nyo nang isama yung mga may title na, tsaka yung mga paulit-ulit na ng All-Stars. Jiggly, alam mo, give it to Jiggly. Judge siya dito. I have a feeling the judges and the hosts will remain the same. That's it. Of course. Tama. I just saw it. Anitra. Yung lahat. Filipino, German, Japanese, and Puerto Rican. Parang awa nyo na. Please make sure Anitra is there. I will not miss an episode. I will not miss an Untucked. Imagine na nandito si Anitra. Never kaming nagkita ni Anitra. I have the biggest crush on Anitra. Nung una kong nag-Dragon LA, walang laman yung booth niya kasi may sakit siya so hindi siya nakapag-ano. Nung pumunta naman siya dito sa Pilipinas, ako yung may sakit at hindi nakapunta sa show niya. I will do anything to see Anitra again. Sakio. Oh, I've worked with Sakio and Zahira. We had a show in Manchester. Bongga siya. Kain. Filipino na kasi si Kain Priyanka. Priyanka is already a winner. Bombay. Lagay natin sa wishlist ko si Bombay. I've met Bombay during DragCon. Such a darling. Melinda Verga. Oh my god. It will be nice to see Melinda. Wala lang. Parang feeling ko kasi baka mabash siya. Kung ginawa niya yung Untucked drama niya nung Canada, alam mo, pag sa Pilipinas mo ginawa yun, mababash ng malala si Mother. Et cetera. Yes, for Ivory Glaze. Ivory Glaze! Madame Yoko and Kitty Space from France. Ito yung mga chika. Na-assemble ko na yung aking Asia part of my wish list. So, let's go to the Philippine wish list. Pero syempre, pakinggan natin ano ba ang pulso ng bayan. Sino ba ang gusto nila makita? Ako, walang kaabog-abog. Ang una kong isusulat dito is, tama, Venus Deluxe. Hindi dahil nagigilty ako na pinauwi ko siya nung season 1. I just know that it's Venus' turn to shine. Venus Deluxe, without a doubt, without batting an eyelash. All-Stars Philippines, Venus Deluxe. Una, Bernie. Do we think Bernie is ready for an All-Stars? Ako, yes. I think may ibubuga pa si Bernie. Alam niyo yung season 2 kasi, medyo parang na-outshine siya. Season 3 was so bright that it casted a shadow on season 2 so much. But the thing is, marami talagang gagaling na queens nung season 2. So I think Bernie is one of those that deserve a second chance because she is pure talent and pure heart. Number 1 ko pa rin si Venus Deluxe, of course. Another dream cast, sabi dito, is Silhouette. Tulad nga ng sinabi ko when she walked into the room, the drama just walked in. It will be interesting to see Silhouette or the drama. Pero kasi may mga kasama tayong mga ibang lahi. So hindi ko alam magtatagalog ba sila. Actually, that's interesting to see, no? What will the language barrier look like? You know, kahit nag-UK versus the world ka, English speaking pa rin naman sila eh. Pero ito, siyempre pag nagkuyog yung 6 na Pilipino, di ba? Chika-chika sila in Tagalog. Tapos hindi naiintindihan ng mga taga-Japan, mga Thai. Oh my God. Gag! We have John Fidel Yaga. Do we want to see John again on our screen? Parang yes din. Kasi parang feeling ko hindi pa siya, parang hindi siya masyado nabigyan ng airtime dun sa season niya. Nakasulat, Eva Le Queen as the wild card. Ako? Ako? Gusto niya ba akong sumali? Okay lang ako, mga be. It's not the first time that a queen from the Drag Race franchise have joined All-Stars twice. Even Manila Luzon has done the All-Stars twice, diba? Pero parang for me, wag muna sa season na to. Alam mo, sasali ako if it's gonna be an All-Stars Philippines. Yung Philippines lang. If I'll ever be invited for a local All-Stars, siguro yes. You're in the comfort of your Filipino friends, Filipino sisters, lahat nagtatagalog, lahat kumakain ng kanin. Lahat kayo nandito lang kayo sa Maynila, alam mo yun. When you know that you're in your turf. Pero for this one, I think I'll let others have it. Saka kagaling ko lang, te. Tignan mo, number 1 sa listahan. Number 1 sa balota talaga, Venus Deluxe eh. Second is Brigading. I'm gonna put Briggs. Kasi parang ang gandang makita magpuksaan sila ni Venus. Also, Brigading should have a redemption arc. Nung season namin sa season 1, medyo parang she was painted yung brand. So sorry, Briggs. I would like to take this opportunity. You know, the discussion about branding in drag was never brought to the table until I brought it up. And it was used against Brigading. Na-realize ko that I was wrong. Now, a lot of the baby queens are obsessed with branding, which I think should not be the case. If you're an artist, you should not be confined in one way to do your drag. The obsession about branding, at least here in the Philippines, or what I hear on the ground sa mga bata, okay na yan. Huwag kayong magpapaniwala sa akin. Kasi parang it limits you to what's your real capacity. Okay lang naman maging comedy queen ng fashion queen. Maging gago-gago yung opulent. Whatever makes you happy, that's what drag should be about. Anyway, going back to Brigading. Brigading really is an awesome, spectacular, phenomenal queen. I have seen her in her heydays before Drag Race, and she is your favorite drag queen's favorite drag queen before Drag Race. And I feeling ko pag bumalik siya talaga with a vengeance. Next is Arizona Brandy. Ako, natatense ako kasi parang kunwari ako yung casting director, parang ang sakit ng ulo ko, te. Ilan lang yung meron ka lang kukumpletuhin. So I want her for Station Royale. Ang hirap na desisyon yan. Kasi ang dami pang choices. Oh my gosh. Lalagay ko si Arizona Brandy pero may asterisk. Do I want it? Yes. Very yes. Pero marami rin kasing iba pang very, 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 very yes. So tignan natin kung sino lang hindi papasa sa drag test. Cheka. Next is Angel. Angel with an all caps. Number 2 sa balota ko, Angel. We all know how Angel was such a gift nung season 3. She makes the grandest, the most pasabog airtime, very iconic, very lovable, and very authentic. Papansin kasi siya. She does not have to fabricate stories. She is just who she is. It's just brimming with star power, with star quality. Yun. Hanap pa tayo ng mga ibang suggestions. Miss Jade Saw. I love my sister to bits, but I really feel na yung humor niya, yung character niya, yung drag niya will be more appreciated on an international stage rather than local. Although parang medyo semi-international naman to kung tutuusin. I would want to see kung paano niya uululin si RuPaul sa totoong buhay. That's an interaction that I would really want to see. Bernie Zimba. Is she ready? Actually, parang ang gandang gag nun kung nandun si Briggs tapos si Zimba. Pero kasi parang kakalabas lang ni Zimba eh. I don't know. Well, there's no such thing as too early. Pag para talaga sa'yo, para siya sa'yo. Itong wishlist na to, sabi, if they speak English. Tita Baby? Yes. Kaso baka pagod na siya. Baka pagod pa si Tita Baby. Nakakatawa yung si Tita Baby kasi magkasama ko siya sa mga shows, diba? Yung mga kausap ko siya na parang, Mare, kamusta ka na, Mare? Ang unang salitang salabas sa bibig niya, pagod. I think I'll reserve Tita Baby for something else. For me lang naman, ha? Siyempre, akin to. Kiana! Kiana. That's a tough call. Real talk. I love Kiana. Do I want to see her on my TV screen? Yes. Pero para kasing ang aga pa. Yun lang naman ang para sa akin. Kiana is a star. Parang dapat kay RuPaul ka humarap. Alam mo yun? Parang kay RuPaul ka dapat humarap. Feeling ko ha, ito, like if I am a manager, for example lang naman, I am managing Kiana's career, but I would advise, sikat ka muna kasi sikat na sikat ka pa. Sobrang sikat na sikat mo pa. Sobrang grabe pa yung clamor ng tao for Kiana. Mas pang international siya. May ihihinog pa si Kiana para humarap kay RuPaul. Of course, this is not to diminish anything. I just feel lang na parang lahat magagaling, lahat pwedeng humarap kay RuPaul. For me kasi as a Filipino, parang gusto ko magharap ng queen kay RuPaul that will drive her crazy and make her fall in love the way she did with Marina. Parang nakikita ko talaga na mas pang international si Kiana. Hindi ko siya ilalagay kasi nga gusto ko nga sa international. Ko lang naman to, Turing or Lady Morgana. Meron na akong dalawang season 1, dalawang season 2. Parang dapat yung pang-anim ko is from season 3. Okay na to. Okay, ito. Okay, I found my answer. Versex. Versex tayo. Kasi hindi siya masyado nabigyan ng airtime eh. This is the gag. Like, you saw the tremendous impact and how iconic Ver was regardless of her placement. We will probably go down in Drag Race page history as the most iconic pork chop ever. With whatever little airtime that she had, she made the most out of it. She was good TV. She was a good sister to her sisters. Kaya nga siya binotong Miss Congeniality. She dresses up well. May amoy lang siya. Charot. Sa iksi ng airtime niya, nakagawa siya ng ganung impact. Imagine what she can do on an all-stars level. Sino pa? Baka meron akong mga ilang nakita. Ano kaya yung mga lip-sync songs nila? Also, oh my God, are they gonna use lipstick? Magli-lipstick kaya sila or lip-sync for your life? Kinabanatuan naman ako. Sana lipstick! Okay. So far, ang entry ko from them is Bernie and Arizona. Siguro if another one that I want to be given, is gonna be Hannah. So, siguro, ilagay natin si Hannah as honorable mention. Tapos, balik tayo dun sa most iconic, unforgettable Drag Race. Drag Race Philippines Season 1. Prince. Actually, Prince. Ilalagay ko si Prince. Hindi dahil sister ko siya. For those who are not following Prince, she's like an it girl in LA now. She performs everywhere. Success story siya. Siya talaga yung pork chop eh. She has lost so much weight. Oh my God. Her body is rocking. Her performance skills. Her very drag is just like, nag-elevate pa siya. Dapat makita yun ng Asia at ng lahat ng bawat Pilipino. Yes, you are not defined by your placement. She's really proven herself so much. So, I'm gonna put her here. Viva La Queen, naku, huwag niyo nang isahin. Taas na yung BP niya, nagpapatesta siya ng uric acid. Huwag niyo na siyang isama. Menti, I think Menti. Ako, I'll stand by this. Menti is also international girly. Ang wishlist ko for an international season ng season 1 is Menti. International season for season 2 is Jade Saw. And international season of season 3 is Kiana. So, who will be the judges kaya? Pwede kayang share hosting si Kuya Pao tsaka si Pangina? Or will Marina Summers be also a judge? Sino ba yung mga guest judge? Parang amazing kung maglalagay sila ng Diba sa Canada ngayon, nagja-judge na rin sila Raja O'Hara, sila Umipiyok. Raja O'Hara. So parang dapat, sana may mga Drag Race royalties din. Kasi let's say for example, maglagay ka ng Heart Evangelista dun, paano kung hindi naman sila kilala ng ibang cast, diba? Sino bang mga prominent Asian Si Michelle Yeoh. Masabog. Meme Vice. Yes, of course, Meme Vice. Lea Salonga. Dolly De Leon. Si Sandra Oh. Bowen Yang, si Atsuko. But I'm really excited. Magkakaroon kaya ng Snatch Game. Yung Snatch Game kaya nila is katulad ng normal Snatch Game or yung Snatch Game katulad nila Marina na parang Family Feud or Snatch Game of Love. It's gonna be really exciting. As in, nabuhay yung pagkabakla ko talaga. Buhay na naman ng mga bakla. Meron na naman akong viewing party. Meron na naman akong career. Meron pa akong mga ipoproduce na shows this year. I'm just like really, really excited. So, I think the real challenge here is for us to not let the ball down and keep the fire, the love alive. Ayun lang. But I think this is gonna be a very, very, very sickening season. If you're from original season coming out to All Stars, honestly, you have nothing else to prove because you are already talented. You're already a star. Had I thought about this when I joined my Global All Stars, parang I would have probably enjoyed it, have like made so much fun and did more. But it is what it is. I'm really excited for the sisters that's gonna be coming back on our TV screens. Can't wait for the exciting and another iconic, unforgettable, epic season from Drag Race Philippines. So Drag Race Philippines Station Royale will be premiering at WOW Presents Plus the end of the year. So we're all gonna sit tightly. It's gonna be an amazing Christmas for everyone. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I read the comment section. Tamad lang ako mag-type, but you know, I read all the comments. If you want me to react into things, build more on this series, please do let me know in the comment section. But until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys! Mwah! As in, nabuhay yung pagkabakla ko talaga. Nung nabasa ko, parang, oh my God, parang, oh my God! Mabuhay yung mga bakla. Mabuhay na naman ang mga bakla.